What if I told you the trail could change your life, but only if you prepared for it? Hiking isn't just a walk in the woods. It's adventure. It's challenge. It's freedom. But without the right preparation, it can turn into blisters, confusion, and a whole lot of bad decisions. Let's fix that right now. Hiking is incredible. Fresh air, big skies, trees that feel like wise old giants watching over you. But not every trail is friendly. Some push back, some test you, and that's why smart hikers bring strategy, not just enthusiasm. Preparation isn't boring, it's powerful. Before you even tie your laces, packing smart is your first win. Your backpack shouldn't feel like a boulder tied to your spine. Choose one that hugs your shoulders and hips like a loyal friend. Pack heavy items at the bottom and roll your clothes so you save space. Organization means speed and comfort, because nothing kills a mood faster than digging for 5 minutes just to find a sock. Hydration, that's survival level stuff. Dehydration sneaks up on you like a ninja. 1 minute you're hiking, the next you're dragging your legs like a zombie extra in a bad movie. Solution: hydration, bladder. Sip as you go, no stopping, no excuses. Bonus: move, toss electrolyte tablets in your water. Your body will cheer. Freeze half a bottle the night before so you've got cold water later. Hiking luxury unlocked. Snacks. Oh yeah, snacks are fuel and therapy. Hunger can turn friendly hikers into grumpy trolls. Avoid that fate. Pack trail mix, jerky, granola bars, lightweight legends of energy. Keep snacks in easy reach so you can nibble without losing stride. And yabbering napkins, unless you enjoy sticky hands that smell like peanut butter for 5 miles. But energy won't save you if you're lost. Navigation matters. Phones die and GPS fails. Always pack a map and compass. Learn how to use them. Download offline maps before leaving home. Even better, memorize key trail markers early. Your future self will thank you when the trail twists and doubts creep in. Confidence beats panic every time. And let's talk comfort, because hiking shouldn't feel like foot torture. Boots matter. Socks matter. If your feet hurt, you're done. Game over. Warm clothing layers can save your life in changing weather. A simple emergency blanket weighs almost nothing and keeps you alive when temperatures drop. Tarps turn into shelters. Smart gear choices buy you time, warmth, and peace of mind. That's survival. Tools are your secret weapon. Pack a multi-toolet, fixes, straps, cuts, cord, opens cans, and solves problems you never saw coming. Flashlight or headlamp? Mandatory. Darkness comes fast in the wild. Extra batteries mean the difference between getting home or camping with raccoons by accident, and hiking doesn't have to be a solo mission. Bring friends, join groups, hike together, laugh together, share chocolate and stories under the sky. Team hiking builds memories and safety. Someone always has the extra thing you forgot. That's trail teamwork at its finest. The bottom line? Hiking isn't hard. When you're prepared, it's epic. Pack light but smart. Stay hydrated, eat well, navigate wisely, keep warm, travel with heart. Adventure favors the prepared, and you're now officially one of them. So gear up, step outside, hit the trail. The world is waiting with wild views and quiet moments that remind you what life is really about. Now get out there and earn that sunset.